Hello, construction enthusiasts! In the dynamic world of wind energy, Peikko's rock foundation for wind turbine towers stands as a testament to innovation and reliability. This cutting-edge foundation system is designed to securely anchor towering wind turbine structures to the bedrock, ensuring unwavering stability amidst the forces of nature. The Peikko rock foundation's strength lies in its unique combination of prefabricated elements and post-tensioning technology. Each foundation comprises a precast concrete adapter cage, which forms the base for the turbine tower. This cage is then anchored to the bedrock using a series of high-strength fat bar post-tensioned anchors. The fat bar anchors, reaching depths of up to 16 meters, penetrate the bedrock, transferring the substantial weight of the wind turbine to the solid rock below. This direct connection to the bedrock provides unwavering support against the powerful forces of wind, earthquakes, and even extreme weather conditions. The T20X, a true revolution in plastering technology. This sleek and nimble machine is rewriting the rules for plasterers, ushering in a new era of ease, speed, and efficiency. Compact and lightweight, the T20X is not just a tool but a multifaceted powerhouse, seamlessly blending a worm pump, lifting mixer, and a closed-loop hydraulic circuit. Imagine getting the job done with less sweat and more precision. By handling various mortars with finesse, be it common, ready-mixed, insulating, or special, this marvel significantly slashes the labor needed. Plasterers can now achieve impeccable results in less time, making each day more productive and projects a breeze to finish. In the world of construction technology, Schöck Isokorb emerges as a game-changer, especially for cantilevered connections like balconies or parapets. Acting as a structural thermal break, it takes center stage in minimizing thermal bridges. The magic lies in its composition, a blend of a stainless steel profile, a load transfer element, and a thermal insulation layer. Picture this: a half-precast balcony comes to life with the aid of Schöck Isokorb. Crafted in a factory, this innovative system combines a prefabricated balcony slab seamlessly integrated with the Schöck Isokorb. What makes it click? The stainless steel profile provides robust structural support, the load transfer element efficiently conveys loads to the supporting structure, and the thermal insulation layer acts as a barrier, curbing heat transfer from the inside out. As this marvel is lifted onto the supporting structure, filled with concrete, and perfected on-site, the result is not just a balcony, it's a testament to enhanced thermal performance in construction. In the field of construction, innovation is the driving force behind progress. And when it comes to concrete elements, CPC concrete elements are revolutionizing the way we build. These lightweight, high-strength concrete panels are poised to transform the industry with their exceptional properties and eco-friendly credentials. CPC concrete elements, developed through a collaborative partnership between Holcim and the Swiss CPC AG, are the epitome of cutting-edge construction technology. These precast panels are made from high-performance concrete reinforced with pre-stressed carbon fibers. The result is a material that is up to 5 times thinner and lighter than traditional reinforced concrete slabs, but with the same load-bearing capacity. The environmental benefits of CPC concrete elements are equally impressive. The production process requires less raw materials and generates up to 75% fewer CO2 emissions compared to traditional concrete methods. This makes CPC concrete elements a game-changer for sustainable construction practices. In the quest for sustainable building practices, the construction industry is embracing nature's bounty with Maxit Strohpanel, a groundbreaking material that puts straw, a renewable resource, at its core. Treated with a flame-retardant process, this straw joins forces with lime and cement, creating sturdy boards suitable for an array of applications, from walls and ceilings to insulation and flooring. This innovative material brings forth a multitude of benefits. From sustainability and durability to fire resistance and health-conscious features, Maxit Strohpanel stands out as a versatile and environmentally friendly choice. It embraces the abundance of straw, minimizing transportation impact, and boasts a production process that consumes less energy, contributing to lower emissions compared to conventional building materials. In the world of construction, safeguarding structures against moisture is paramount, and Polylastic emerges as a standout waterproofing solution for concrete surfaces. This bitumen-based compound forms a robust and waterproof membrane, finding its application in basements, swimming pools, terraces, and balconies. Polylastic boasts a range of benefits, from its durability and waterproofing effectiveness to its ease of application and flexibility. Its composition resists cracking and erosion, providing long-lasting protection against moisture damage. The impermeable nature of Polylastic creates a formidable barrier, ensuring water doesn't infiltrate concrete structures. What sets it apart is not just its reliability but also its user-friendly application, making it suitable for both DIY projects and professional applications. From basements to swimming pools, terraces, and foundation walls, Polylastic proves its versatility, offering a dependable solution that ensures the longevity and integrity of diverse structures. In the construction world, maintaining structural integrity is key, and when it comes to damaged piles, the game-changing solution is PileMedic. This revolutionary repair system employs high-strength fiber-reinforced polymer, FRP, laminates, seamlessly wrapping around the damaged pile to provide robust structural support. Composed of bidirectional carbon and glass fibers, these laminates offer unmatched strength and durability, ensuring a swift and effective repair process. PileMedic boasts an array of benefits, from rapid repair capabilities that minimize downtime to a significant boost in strength compared to traditional methods. Its versatility shines through as it can repair various pile types, including concrete, steel, and timber, making it a go-to solution for a wide range of applications. Not only does it swiftly address issues like corrosion damage, cracks, or spalling, but PileMedic also creates a watertight seal around the pile, preventing water intrusion and corrosion. In the dynamic world of precast concrete construction, enter MultiForm Alu, a groundbreaking formwork system crafted from anodized aluminum, bringing a new era of efficiency and versatility to the field. This system's lightweight design not only makes handling and transportation a breeze but also contributes to cost savings and enhanced worker safety. The anodized aluminum surface ensures exceptional durability, resisting corrosion and wear for a long-lasting performance that stands up to the demands of construction. MultiForm Alu doesn't just stop at being lightweight and durable, it's a game-changer in dimensional stability, ensuring precise concrete casting and minimizing the need for rework. Its reusability factor not only minimizes waste but also saves costs across multiple projects. The versatility of MultiForm Alu shines through, catering to a range of precast concrete applications, from walls and columns to slabs and beams. In the world of construction, meet SynkoElast, a versatile and durable joint sealant designed to be the unsung hero of concrete structures. Crafted from a special blend of resins and fillers, SynkoElast steps up to the challenge, tackling everything from working joints to contraction joints with resilience and reliability. Picture this: SynkoElast forms a watertight barrier, shielding concrete structures from the elements and preventing water penetration. What sets it apart is its flexibility, remaining pliable even in chilly temperatures, ensuring it moves seamlessly with concrete joints without the fear of cracking. It's not just effective, it's easy to apply, accommodating various joint configurations and making it a cost-effective choice for sealing both working and contraction joints. From foundation repairs to waterproofing applications, SynkoElast emerges as the go-to solution for ensuring the watertightness and longevity of concrete structures. It's the quiet champion that keeps structures standing strong and protected. In the dynamic world of construction, where aesthetics meet sustainability, Egcobox steps into the spotlight as a precast facade element system redefining the game. Comprising modular precast concrete panels with integrated thermal breaks, this system introduces a versatile and sustainable approach to modern architecture. The proprietary connection system seamlessly weaves these panels into a weatherproof facade, with the integrated thermal breaks acting as energy-efficient guardians, minimizing heat transfer and enhancing overall energy efficiency. Picture this: Egcobox isn't just about functionality. It's a design playground offering a spectrum of possibilities, from smooth and monolithic surfaces to textured and patterned facades. The durability of Egcobox facades stands tall against weathering, promising long-lasting performance. Beyond aesthetics and endurance, it champions sustainability, utilizing eco-friendly materials and processes to minimize the environmental impact of construction. Rapid installation adds another feather to its cap, reducing construction time and costs. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me.